Imagine if you could use a chat interface all powered by AI to send an email campaign to dozens or hundreds, thousands, even tens of thousands of contacts. Well, now you can do it with Dubb AI. Here's an example of a simple message that I sent asking my AI assistant to craft an email and then send it to an individual. I could have this be to an entire list or anything that I choose. And sure enough, in a matter of seconds, the email gets sent right into the inbox. How powerful is that? How easy is that? In this video, I'm going to show you how to set this all up. So the first thing that you need is an account to Dubb AI. So once you sign up at ai.dubb.com, go ahead and go to the Integrations tab, and here you will notice the ability to connect SendGrid. So SendGrid is owned by Twilio. It's an email sending platform. It's the back-end technology that a lot of major email companies use. It's among the cheapest way to send mass emails. And there's a couple of setup things that I do recommend that you go through in the Twilio SendGrid account. And once you've set those up, you can go ahead and go to settings and then API keys, and you can create an API key here. Now you will notice when you do connect this, it is going to ask you for the API key. Simply paste it in there and then save it. Once you do that, you are ready to go. You can go ahead and go back to your Slack account, and then you can ask it to send a mass email using SendGrid, and sure enough, it's going to compile all the necessary information so that you can have your email sent. Now, if you want to get send logs, all you have to do is go to your statistics, go to your activity report, click on email logs, and here you will notice the email data, which is blurred on my screen for now. Thank you for watching this video. See you at the next one.